So continuing, we are working on this problem. The last item in our guidelines is to sketch the curve using the information A through G. All right, so here we are. What information do we have from A through G? We have a y-intercept, 0, negative 3/5. We have an x-intercept, 3/2, 0. We do not have critical points. We do not have inflection points. We have a vertical asymptote at -5. We have horizontal asymptote at 2. So these are the things you need to first assemble. Okay. So notice we were going to infinity from the left and negative infinity from the right. Our curve is increasing throughout. Concave up here, concave down here. So you see, we already have some idea what's going on. Okay. So keep all this information in mind. We are increasing throughout, concave up to the left, concave down to the right of -5. Okay. So let's draw. So, okay, I'm clicked. So this is my horizontal asymptote. And this is my vertical asymptote. All right. So I'm going to height 2 as x approaches negative infinity. On the right hand side, this is my vertical asymptote, and I'm going to negative infinity when I approach from the right. So that's going to get very close to this line. But I'm increasing throughout. Notice I was concave up above to the left. Here I'm going to be concave down and increasing while joining these 2 points. That's my y-intercept. This is my x-intercept. And I go close to this line. Okay. So don't mind these wavy things. It should be smooth, but I hope you have an idea how. So let's compare this picture to an actual graph. So let's say I've forgotten what my question was. I know it was a fraction. Okay. So fraction, be it web work or these graphing websites, just write parentheses over parentheses. That makes it a fraction. And now fill in the parentheses. Upstairs is 2x minus 3. Downstairs is x plus 5. There you go. It looks pretty close, right? Let me zoom in. Of course, the scale is better here. So I'll take this. So somewhere there is the y-intercept, -3/5, and that is 3/2. Okay. All right. And this looks wide. Of course, my scale is not correct. You know, if this is 2, -5 has to be far away, but then I wouldn't be able to draw properly. So I kept it close, but you have an idea now. All right. So I'm going to save this file also in your Blackboard for you to see eventually. Next video, I will be filling in all these blanks based on the file I have here. Okay. Until then.